Philippine Information Agency, Kapihan na Zamboanga. Sharing with you timely, accurate, and relevant information regarding government programs, projects, and activities. Catch us every Thursday at 4 p.m. on eMedia.
Buenos dias, Zamboanga! Welcome sa PIA Kapihan na Zamboanga sa SM City Minpro. Hatid ng Philippine Information Agency, Mindanao Communicators Network, SM City Minpro, Mindanao Cable Television, and eMedia. Mapapanood po ninyo ng live ang ating programa sa PIA Western Mindanao Facebook page and other government agencies Facebook pages. Also, we are live at PRO9 Facebook page, the Northern News Flash, 1TV Philippines, Isa TV channel, PCH Cable TV, and via cable televisions in Zamboanga at MCTV and eMedia. Muli po, welcome po sa ating programang PIA Kapihan na Zamboanga. Ang Kapihan po will discuss important topics that will help you make more informed decisions wherever you are. And now po sa ating episode, we are also happy to talk about another innovation po or another program under the DOST din po. And ngayon mga kasama naman natin is from Ateneo de Zamboanga University, which will talk about our Zamboanga Business Innovation Summit and how will this help po lalong-lalo na sa ating mga startup entrepreneurs, sa mga nagpaplano pong magkaroon ng negosyo or small business. So, pakikinggan po natin lahat ng ito ngayon sa ating programa. Let's welcome our guest. We have Engineer Erickson Kent Bonifacio, the Project Development Officer 3 po ng DOST ADSU Azul Hub. Welcome po sa ating program.
Thank you, Ma'am Myra. Thank you po, PIA, for having me.
Thank you very much po, of course, din sa inyong time, for being here with us sa ating program. Like I mentioned, we will talk about yung ating Zamboanga Innovation or Zamboanga Business Innovation Summit. Siguro po, let's talk about first naman kung ano po ba yung role muna, yung role ng DOST ADSU Azul Hub, or ano ba itong Azul Hub? Ano yung ating ginagawa dito?
Okay. So DOST ADSU Azul Hub is a technology business incubator which supports early stage startups or mga ideas from the students and some young professionals that they want to turn it into a viable business opportunity. So Azul Hub is a business incubation offers business incubation program funded by the Department of Science and Technology, PSURD. One of our main objective in the technology business incubator is to promote and to foster the growth of startup ecosystem, fostering the innovation ecosystem. So through the business incubation programs and services po namin, one of the main objective is to convene this from academe, from industry, and from government, these stakeholders to actually sustain and foster the growth of the economic and of course the startup ecosystem. So yun po.
Actually, napakagandang proyekto kasi we all know na isa po yung ating mga MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprise, na nagda-drive talaga ng economy natin. So it's good na meron pa tayong mga ganitong programs to encourage more na mga soon-to-be entrepreneurs, na mga gustong magkaroon ng startup business. So, meron silang idea na meron palang ganitong hub. When did it open naman?
Actually, Azul Hub started its operation last February 2022. We are on our second year of operation, so it's a 2-year funded project po. So we have incubated approximately mga 14 startups na po. So we have 5 startups who have completed their incubation program on the first year. Tapos meron rin pong currently they are incubated mga 9 startups naman po. So we are in the TBI, we offer mentorship services para alam po nila yung the process of putting up a business, validating their business idea, offering mentorship from key enablers, startup enablers, and mga industry experts na rin po. So mga ini-invite po natin yan sila to really have mentorship sessions with them and coaching sessions.
Nagde-depend ba yung kanilang incubation period? Depende sa type of business that they want to start?
Not necessarily naman po, pero we offer the incubation program from 6 months to 12 months po. So, yun nga, not just the mentorship services, no, we also offer co-working spaces po. So, yun po.
Very nice no na may ganitong program. So, you mentioned na 2 years na kayo. May ano pa ba? Magtutuloy-tuloy pa ba itong program na ito? Itong funded program na ito?
Yes po. After the second year of operation, so Ateneo de Zamboanga University will sustain its operation na po. So it won't be funded pero we will sustain the operations to still yung main goal naman po natin is to really drive the economic growth. Yun po.
So ngayon naman, let's talk about yung ating Zambasulta ba? Or Zamsulta or Zamboanga Business Innovation Summit. What is this all about? And ano yung objective talaga nitong summit na ito?
Zambasulta Business and Innovation Summit is a summit that will convene again the academe, the industry, and the government. So it will connect these young innovators and aspiring entrepreneurs to this will provide them a platform for networking with these industry leaders and industry experts, and of course the ecosystem enablers. So it's not just for the Zampen region, but we also involved the Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi region, since yun rin po yung kinikater ng ating TBI. So at saka mga kalapit provinces and region lang rin naman sila. So this will empower the innovators and the entrepreneurs, and of course to showcase their ideas and their prototype siguro or the technologies that they already have.
How will this, ano po yung aim natin to support naman yung ating micro and small, medium enterprises and yung ating mga local industries? So yung startup lang ba yung pwede nating makater, or we can also cater yung ating mga existing MSMEs that want to develop more program or more products?
Yes po. Actually, sa Business and Innovation Summit, kaya naman po siya coined as Business and Innovation Summit because aside from the young aspiring entrepreneurs, so we also have MSMEs na pupunta and to present their technologies, and these MSMEs can also be early adopters of the products or ideas that will be produced by these startups naman po. So, yun.
So isa din itong opportunity no for other entrepreneurs to meet other parang mag-meet sila together and other stakeholders para they can share ideas, or maybe one of them can mag-interchange sila ng kanilang mga products, makapagtulungan sila.
Yes po. So aside from the pitch competitions na mangyayari, so there will also be business matching. So the Zambasulta Business and Innovation Summit, this is not only spearheaded by the DOST Azul Hub. Of course, this is also supported aside from the Azul Hub. This is also supported by the other technology business incubators that we have in the Zamboanga Peninsula region. So we also have the support from the Western Mindanao State University Agri-Aqua TBI, and we also have the newly approved project from the Jose Rizal Memorial State University na isa din po silang TBI that caters on smart tourism naman. So kanya-kanyang TBI, may kanya-kanya rin pong banner program kung tinatawag.
So this is a very good opportunity talaga sa ating mga entrepreneurs. And I'm sure sa mga first time palang maririnig no, na may ganito palang hub na makakatulong sa kanilang mga business ideas. Usually doon naman nag-uumpisa idea lang, but they don't know how to execute it.
Yes,
so
yes.
doon pumapasok yung ating Azul Hub.
Yes. So yun na po yung upon the application or upon your interest no to really create the startup, to continue yung idea lang na sa umpisa. So we provide mentorship sessions na po, yung i-validate natin kung kaya ba talaga siyang maging business, or do we need to pivot some parts of the technology or some parts of the business. So yun po.
Open talaga siya sa kahit anong type of business. Sky is the limit. Mapa
Yes.
food man, mapa technology.
Yes po. So currently we have 3 TBIs in the Zamboanga Peninsula region. So our TBI, Azul Hub, caters for ICT-related technologies on effective financial management and business operations efficiency. Then for WIMSU, they cater Agri-Aqua products and technologies. Then for JRMSU, they cater smart tourism naman. So yun po. So we have 3 TBIs here. in Zamboanga Peninsula for that cause po.
I'm curious kasi you mentioned na meron na tayong mga graduate na no sa ating mga programs na dumaan na sa Azul Hub. So ano yung mga so far na natulungan natin? What type of business or common talaga sa lahat?
On our first cohort, actually we have incubated some of them, most of them are professionals already. Some of them are just fresh graduates. Yes, opo. So yung isa po, they are already being funded by the Department of Science and Technology. They are producing an alert warning system. Yes, that po. And another one po is they are one step closer to securing an investment from a potential investor po. So may mga fina-finalize na lang po ng mga papeles to actually jumpstart their business na po.
So imagine the benefit, no? Lahat yan sila dumaan from the Azul Hub, and then now may mga potential na sila ng mga stakeholders that willing to support their business or their idea or innovation. So ngayon po, paano po natutulungan ng ating Department of Science and Technology yung mga ma-integrate po, no, yung kanilang mga latest din na technological advancement para din maka-drive ng innovation sa ating Azul Hub?
DOST has been establishing business incubation and business incubation and innovation centers in the region po, no. Actually, for the coming Regional Science and Technology Week 2024, they are about to establish and inaugurate po pala. They are about to inaugurate the Metals and Engineering Innovation Center sa Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University on November 20, 2024. So yun po. So this will help these researchers, students, and the industry for the metalworking technologies and R&D capabilities. Then another one po, in place yung plan to establish a regional satellite laboratory which can emulate advanced manufacturing center for additive manufacturing naman po. So this will develop and strengthen the capabilities of the region to be at the forefront of advanced manufacturing naman. So this will develop and strengthen yung 3D printing services. They will provide trainings, consultancies. So yun po. And possible yung mga ma-adapt na technologies and yung mapoproduce na technologies ng ating mga startups and mga entrepreneurs. So they can also be potential early adopters po. So yun po.
For you po, sir, ano po yung advantage, no, or benefit ng ating Zambasulta Innovation Summit natin? And ano yung advantage of passing through the Azul Hub?
For the advantage of the Zambasulta Business and Innovation Summit, siguro it will increase the engagement and the visibility of these assistance and support sa ating mga young entrepreneurs and young innovators, no. This will pique interest from the people na meron silang idea and they want to turn it into a viable product or a viable business. So yun, may mga in place po tayong mga TBIs that can help you and support you to really jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey. For the Azul Hub naman po, so yun, we need ideas to really drive the economic growth and to create more jobs, no, dito sa region natin. Yeah.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng more willingness din sa ating mga entrepreneurs na gawing reality yung kanilang mga ideas, kasi that's the reason why we have this hub, na this is for them. So we would like to encourage more of them, more of our startup business na may mga interest, no, to start their own business na hindi nila alam kung saan magsisimula. So this is your opportunity to visit yung ating Azul Hub para mabigyan ng opportunity yung kanilang mga idea. Paano naman po yung ating partnership, no, sa ating DOST na na-establish po yung ating mga events. I'm sure this is not the first event that we conducted or first time talaga itong magkakandak tayo ng Business and Innovation Summit.
This is actually the first time sa yung mag-conduct po kami ng Zambasulta Business and Innovation Summit po talaga. So one of the main objective po talaga is really to increase the visibility of these startups and of these TBIs that help startups. Yun po.
Tama, kasi baka iilan lang pa talaga sa atin yung nakakaalam na may mga ganito tayo, may TBIs tayo, na may mga hub tayo na makakatulong sa kanilang mga business ideas. So paano ba itong summit na to, no, makaka-contribute sa ating region's economic growth? You mentioned na very gusto nyong makapag-drive ng economy. How will this contribute? And will you continue, aside from the hub, will you continue having such summit or programs po in the future?
Of course, this won't be the first, no, and last Business and Innovation Summit. We hope from the DOST and from the Azul Hub and from the partners to sustain this kind of activity. Of course, this will showcase naman kasi the talents from our students, the technologies and the products na meron po ditong napoproduce sa Zambasulta regions. Yan po.
Baka meron po tayong mga success stories that we can share, no, para mas ma-encourage din natin yung ibang entrepreneurs to visit or to, para mas maengganyo sila sa pagpunta ng ating Azul Hub.
Yeah, as mentioned po kanina, so in our first cohort, so we have incubated 5 startups and 2 of them have already kumbaga na jumpstart na yung kanilang mga entrepreneurial journey. So through the business incubation hub such as Azul Hub, the JRMSU Sidlac TBI, and the Western Mindanao State University Agri-Aqua TBI. So these hubs support and assist these students and innovators to really pursue their business ventures, kumbaga. Yes po.
Kasi yun yung goal natin, no, na mas marami pa tayong ma-encourage na mga business entrepreneurs. What are other programs po, projects that you are doing sa ating Azul Hub? Ano pa po yung pwede nating ma-offer din sa ating mga entrepreneurs?
So aside from conducting these kinds of event and yung incubation program po nga natin na mag-assist tayo ng mga young innovators and aspiring entrepreneurs, so we also have of course ideation camps that we are targeting schools to really integrate creativity and innovation, no, sa kanila. Then we also offer co-working spaces dun sa hub po natin. Yun po. And of course, the mentorship and coaching sessions po sa ating mga ecosystem enablers and industry experts po.
Ito po, clarification lang, free po yung ating services that we are giving.
Yes po. While we are funded, we are free for all of the services and programs mentioned po.
Ayun, kasi baka ba mag-worry sila, no, na they have to pay something when they go sa Azul Hub. So it's free. Yung ating mga sessions, yung mga mentoring, yung mga sessions po na ino-offer ng ating Azul Hub are free. Okay, thank you very much. With that po, any message po, like you mentioned yung ating mga aspiring entrepreneurs, mga young innovators, and what's our message to them for them to drive them more, no, na para to pursue their entrepreneurial journey?
Yeah, siguro para po sa ating mga students and young professionals that they have these ideas, groundbreaking ideas, no, or innovative ideas. So don't just wag lang po na yung idea natin is maging idea na lang siya. So let's put that into action and hopefully we can help you, we can assist you from the technology business incubators that we have in the region.
Thank you very much. Saan po located yung ating Innovation Hub? Kasi baka they're interested to visit po.
Yes. So for the DOST Azul Hub, we are located at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University Lantaka campus. So formerly known as the Lantaka Hotel by the Sea. So we are located at the Lantaka campus po of Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Makikita
po nila yun agad. And then it's also beside lang sa ating Department of Trade and Industry office.
Yes,
so mas mapapadali, no, yung kanilang yung kanilang
mapapadali
process.
Yung mga registration on businesses sa intellectual property nila. Yes.
Tamang-tama talaga yung ating location para after they have this innovation idea, business idea, diretso na silang mag-apply for their permit.
Yes po. And I have to mention po no na the Zamba Sulta Business and Innovation Summit is led by the Azul Hub and co-led by the JRMSU Sidlak TBI and WIMSU Agri Aqua TBI through their Race Westwind program, and of course supported by Department of Science and Technology Regional Office 9, Department of Information and Communications Technology 9 Basulta, and the Department of Trade and Industry 9. Yes.
So lahat po ito ay syempre supported of course ng ating mga government agencies, no, para mas ma-sure natin na ating mga programs and services for the people ay mas marami tayong matulungan and mas ma-reach out.
Yes po.
Again, thank you very much po sa ating panauhin ngayong araw. We have Engineer Erickson Kent Bonifacio. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ang ating Project Development Officer 3 ng DOST ADSU Azul Hub. Thank you once again sa ating panauhin and hopefully marami po tayong nakuha mga ideas, no, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga aspiring entrepreneurs that would like to start their own business. I think this is the time po, no? Visit po yung ating Azul Hub sa Lantaka para po ma-realize natin yung ating mga business ideas. And with that, thank you very much sa lahat ng ating manonood and thank you to the following sponsors: Blanca Kalintika Estetica Zamboanga, Dunkin Penguin Zamboanga, Karimadon, and Camiseta, all available at SM City Minpro. And makita-kita pa tayo sa ating pang mga susunod na programa ng PIA Kapihan na Zamboanga sa SM City Minpro sa ngalan pong muli ng ating Presidential Communications Office Secretary Cesar Chavez, PIA Director General Catherine Chloe De Castro, and PIA Regional Head Ms. Noemi Edaga. Ito si Myra Espinosa. Muchísimas gracias.
Philippine Information Agency, Kapihan na Zamboanga. Sharing with you timely, accurate, and relevant information regarding government programs, projects, and activities. Catch us every Thursday at 4 p.m. on eMedia.